in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find import history in ClickUp. So if you want to see all the items that were imported into your ClickUp account or uploaded into your ClickUp account, it is pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If you find this video helpful, I kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into a ClickUp account and then go ahead and click on your workspace name up here. From this, click on settings and then down below you'll see import/exports. If you click on it, the first item you can see are import items, and under it is the history. Now here you can see all the imported items plus who imported them and their status, and you can also see the day this was done. You can also see more details about this imported item by clicking on this view import details, and you'll be able to get these details. You can also download the log history for these imports. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.